Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to implement the fitness proportion selection or rotate selection. I will start simply by understanding the idea of selecting individual based on their probability. Okay, let's suppose we have um, some people, we have 5 people, okay? One, okay, I'll start to write the code with and explain it uh, while I'm writing. Okay, so we will start making a function called calculate or select. Okay, in this function we want to give it the individuals. So here I will write individuals, and here we will pass the fitness of those individuals. Let's try to think about it. First we have like individual A and B and C and D. Okay, and A have a fitness of 10 and B have fitness of 20, and let's say C have fitness of 50 and D have fitness of 5, and let's make it more complex a little bit, and A, B, C, D, and here we have F. I want to make it very precise, so we have here 10, 20 and 50 and 5. Okay, let's keep it okay, I will add A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and I will have also F. Let's make it 100. So let's focus about this point. We have here D is 50 and C is 20. Those two are the highest fitness individual, so we want to pick random, but taking in our selection the probability of those two. So we want to pick by 50% D and by 20% C. Okay, and also we want to pick those two those lowest fitness function, but by very low probability as their fitness. We will still pick them, but with very low probability. So it is very easy to implement just if you understand what is cumulative distribution function. So the cumulative distribution function will be adding each fitness by the next one. So A will be 10 because there is no previous, and B will be 10 plus 20, it will be 30, and for let's make it like this. Okay, and C will be 30 plus 50, it will be 80, and for D it will be 80 plus 5, it will be 85, and 80 plus another 5, it will be 90, and I think A10, B20, C50, D5, E5, and let's make this another 5. And for F, A, B, C, D, E, F, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, be 95. Let's see if I made a mistake. It's 10, and 10 plus 20 is 30 for B, and 30 plus 50 it will be for C, the third one, and 80 plus 5 at 85 it will be for D, and 85 plus 5 it will be for E, 90, and 90 plus 5 it will be for F, 95. Okay, I will leave it like this, I will not add another individual. Okay, so after this we will pick a random number from 0 to the last item in the cumulative distribution function list. The last item will be 95. Okay, so if you focus here, how many time you get, how many numbers is below 10 is only 0 to 9, if you get number between 0 to 9, you will get, or 0 to 10, I'm sorry. So if we get a number equal or below this number, we will pick A. Okay, and if we get a number equal or below 30, we will pick B. Equal or below 30. So from 11 to 30, we will get B. And if we get a number equal or below 80, equal or below 80, we get C. So we have this range of number is from 31 to 80. If you see, this range is the highest range. The highest range, it's about 50% of the number in this range. So it will be for this one. Okay, let's see how we can code this. We can start by simply taking the individuals and calculate the cumulative distribution function. There is also it exists with numpy, so I will import numpy. Import numpy as nb, and here I will write nb.cumulative sum, and I will cumulative sum the individuals. After this, I will get the total fitness, this last number. It will be a cumulative distribution, the last index. Okay, after this, it's very simple. Now I need to pick a random number from uniform distribution. Okay, so nb.random.uniform. This number will be starting from the first individual, so I will write it like this: to the total. I can make it from 0, it doesn't matter, from 0, so we can include this because we have to start from 0 to this number, and this number there is nothing before it. Okay, so we ready to start picking the number. So we'll make 4 iteration for I in accumulator. I need accumulator, enumerator also. Enumerator, this enumerator would be over the cumulative distribution distance, and we will have the index and value. Okay, and if the number that I selected randomly is equal or below the value, okay, the V that you currently iterate over, if it equal or less there, I will pick this index. So I'm sorry, less than or equal. So I will return the fitness, or I need to return the individual at this index, returning let's see, I think that's it. We need to try it now. Okay, we have those individuals and those fitness. Let's make those fitness as a number: 10, 20, 50, and 30, and 5. It doesn't matter, you can pick any numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we just need to run. Let's make sure again that we made it everything right. We have calculated the cumulative distribution function, and getting the total. We pick a number from 0 to this total. We start iterate over the cumulative distribution function number. If the number we picked is below or equal the cumulative distribution function value, we will pick the individual at this value. So good, let's try to run. So most of the time I think we will get 3, 2 and 4, and rarely we get 5. Let's run like this, and we need, okay, it's already printed, so we get 5, another 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5. So there is something wrong about it. Okay, I see. I have cumulative sum the individual. I should cumulative sum the fitness of those individual, and I will make it A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Let's run again. We got B, we got D because there is 30%. Okay. We got D, we got C. So most of the time we got those items because there is there is how to D. Okay, I will write it as a probability now, so we can make it very simple as fitness prob equal fitness divided by the sum of the fitness. If we print the fitness prob, so those are the probabilities. So we have 17%, 43% and 26% getting those 3. So it's very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see ya in the next video.